When you're learning the vowels of English, the most important thing to know is that you have to change the shape of your mouth to form the sound, but no part of the oral cavity, the tongue, the teeth, the lips or the palate, touches each other. So the sound is not interrupted in any way. The sound is always voiced, it always uses the vibration from the larynx, and it's always on the outward breath. You can have individual sounds called monophthongs, one sound on its own, a, e. Two sounds together, a movement, if you will, from one to the other, I, ow. And there are triphthongs, three sounds, I, as in higher, and ow, as in shower. You have to learn whether the tongue is high at the front, for example, like E. Are the lips spread? Is it quite a tense, long sound? E. Or is it a shorter, more relaxed sound? A. You learn to hear the sound, you learn where your mouth goes, and you learn to feel the position of the jaw and the tongue. We will then put these sounds into words, put the words into sentences, and make the sounds flow in as natural a way as possible.